Hello everyone, Apex Engineered. Today we're going to be going over the S30, 240Z, 260Z, and 280Z tie rods. We're going to be going over the adjustable and the low profile tie rods. To start off, we're going to start with the tie rod body. We have the steel shaft over here. It's steel so the threads don't strip out, as well as opposite thread of the adjustment over here. So this thread is opposite of this thread to make alignments and installation a ton easier. Next, we're going to go over the tie rod studs on the adjustable. Tie rod studs on the adjustable feature a hardened steel stud that fits both the factory and the Apex Engineered steering knuckle. They come with bumpsteer shims to allow for better geometry when you lower the car. Now these will clear 16-inch and larger wheels. Next, we're going to go over the low profile studs. Now these also feature a hardened stud that fit both the factory and our Apex Engineered steering knuckles. However, they have a shorter shank and allows you to run 15-inch or smaller wheels with the additional clearance. However, you don't get the bump steer adjustment that the adjustables do. Now the last thing here, we're going to be going over colors. Now this is the zinc finish. It's a beautiful finish and it comes standard in our colors. We do offer a ton of other finishes. Check out the video over here to get more information, and this video over here for installation instructions. Lastly, the base specs, we would have about a 1/4 inch of exposed thread past the jam nut to start. This will get you to an alignment shop, and the alignment shop should be able to take it from there to dial in the suspension. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, shoot us an email or give us a call.